Hey, welcome back, my Scrappin friends. I'm Vanessa, and we are continuing with our file folder album, part 5. Okay. Now you're going to need a middle tab. Okay, middle tab. You set this aside for a little bit. So middle tab, guys. You're going to, on the inset tab, which is this one right here, the inset tab, you're going to cut at 7 inches. Oops. Inset, oops, I didn't do my homework. Uh-oh, I get an F, guys. I get an F. A F for failure. Okay, on the inset side, we are going to cut at 7 inches. Okay, cut at 7 inches. Okay, and then on the tab side, which is this one, we're cutting at 7.5. So if you just put it here at 7, that will give you 7.5. Okay, save this piece. Okay, save your pieces. Then we're going to score at 1/2 inch on both pieces. We're going to apply our tape to the indented side. On both pieces. Then we're going to fold and burnish and ink. All right. I guess I don't need the bottom side, I just need top. I could do the rest of the inking off camera. But I do need to do this side before I stick it in there. And I'm gonna ink the inside of this. Alright, and fold it back the way it's supposed to be. Okay, and fold it back like it's supposed to be. Now, grab your album. I'll make sure I get these on correct. Okay, attach the inset tab piece tape side down to the front left side of the middle pocket. Okay. Oh, middle pocket. This is your middle pocket. We're taping the inset piece down like this. I'll go around my corners. I'm just double checking. Okay. So the inset side is going to the front left side. So right here. Okay, I'm going to get my tape started. I'm going to make sure I'm all lined up on all sides. Oops, don't stick yet. And I stuck it about 1/8 of an inch away from this piece here, right here. Okay, about like 1/8 of an inch. Now on the back side of this pocket, we're attaching this one to the back side like 1/8 of an inch away. Okay. Gonna make sure you are lined up. There we go. So there's those pieces. Awesome. Is that our album? Yeah, that's our album. You just got the waterfalls. Cool beans. Cool beans. Because we're going to attach a waterfall here and a waterfall here. Okay, so in the next video, I promise I'll do my homework this time. And I will show you how to make the waterfall and get the waterfall attached. Okay, see you in the next video. Keep scrapping. Bye-bye.